How to log into Roaman's credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of logging into your Roaman's credit card online account, so be sure to view the complete tutorial and subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you never miss any of our future contents. So let's begin. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser in your computer or your mobile device. Type the following URL into the address bar, that is c.committee.net, and hit enter in your keyboard. When the page loads, you will see a sign in button located in the upper right corner of the screen that is highlighted in purple color. Simply click on it. And as soon as you do that, you have to input your username in the specific field first, followed by the correct form of your password. And if you want the system to remember your details, simply click on the Remember Me option over here. Check this box. And however, if you're on a public or a shared device, keep it unchecked. If you have forgotten your login information, click on the Forgot Username and the Password option over here to reset or retry your password and username. Once you've accurately entered all of your details, click on the Sign In button to successfully sign in and access your Roaman's credit card online account. So I trust that this guide has been helpful to you. If it has, please give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.